Hello, good evening. This is Luis here, Crypto Lou. We're back live on YouTube and Twitter. And today we're gonna be talking about the real through from the market. Right now, as you can see, the Bitcoin is getting shorter at this moment. And looks like we're gonna have a little bit the downside at this moment. Uh, just a second, guys. Let me take some final setup over here to see if everything is okay. It's look like everything is good. I'm not sure. Let's go on our live stream here. Oh, right here. Let's say that I'm online. Okay, yeah. So let's lower this. Actually, let me go this way. All right. Um, this Fibonacci over here, it's kind of showing you guys um, that we probably gonna go down big time. So yeah, everything is okay. I was checking the audio. I didn't know if the audio was on or not. All right. So what I'm trying to do here is show you guys some information that I collected through the. I have a discussion with the talking with this lady that we on the Twitter, and I pointed to her that CME group, but also as you can see here over here, I have this whale trade. See, now it's a big long. They show. I don't know if you can see the video okay, but if you cannot, gonna try to make it better. I'm doing live. This is a racket from BitMax that showed the BitMax. Everybody got racket. So this guy just posted. If you're a fan of XRP, he just posted saying the price is gonna go down a little bit from now. He using the super trend. So far so good. We're gonna take a look later. So in the Bitcoin situation that we have, let me show you a couple of things. Let me take it off this indicator over here. Okay, all right, let's keep this way. So I was preparing to do this video for many times. Looking at Coinbase, I went 5 years. The 200 line just come up over here, and we have over here the weekly, and we have the big bull market on 2017. The price went come up 16, 17. You know, the super trainer was showing buy in the weekly, and then we hit the top on $20,000 around here. Let me zoom in to show you guys what I'm trying to. So my discussion was about the CME group that right here. Okay, what's happening? Okay, all right. CME group has the option, which is European, for monthly futures quotes, and if you look on the left is a calls, right is a puts, and on a 36.9 36,900. We have a 4 puts of volume. If these don't have much to do, I'm not sure, but it looks like the price is below 36.9 at this moment. Actually, yeah, below 36.7 at this point. So let's go back to the chart. So right here we have the big news around December that they're going to start futures on the CME Group on Bitcoin. Starting 2018, February was the first contract, and somehow this person say they don't have nothing correlated, no between the price of Bitcoin and the futures contract to CME Group. But right when they started this, the futures and options on the Bitcoin on the CME Group, they started at the end of this December. They opened the first contract was February, and then the prices started sliding down big time. As you can see, looking at the weekly chart, this is the 50 days moving average. It went down big. So what this other video that I was watching, it was the guy spoke about the 3 candles. If you look, we have these 2 big candles over here on the left side, and then the very I could say engulf candle coming to the right, and then some doji candle maybe, and then go down, 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 down. Touch the 50, traded below. The whole 2018 was or either in the line or below the line, maybe cross a little bit over for not too long, and then back and forth. And then let's fast forward. Okay, so now let's take a look at the 3 candle formation. So he mentioned about these 3 candles over here. Because actually we have, I'm not gonna notice this one. I'm gonna discard this one. Actually, no, I'm gonna discard this one. And I'm gonna keep, okay. This is not good. Let's keep this one. So we look in these 3 candles, all right? First, it was big bearish one, 26% down. We crossed the week, crossed the 200, and then he would say that we need to print it. This one should have printed a big green one, and then we should be back trading somewhere around here, but we're still below whatever he say. Say we don't have this being a weekly, we don't have much time. Probably like what I'm thinking that we're gonna go through the summer. Let's raise this. We probably gonna go through the summer, this time here, trading sideways, okay? And then at the end of the year, we might go up. As you can see, oops, let me delete this, go back. As you can see it in the lines, doesn't look good because this line over here, let me show you this one. Okay, let's make a little thin. Yeah, can make it thin. All right. I don't know what's happening, but anyway, let me do different. Let me do this way. this purple line is my kind of the line that I'm looking at for a delete everything. This purple line is everything. That's what I'm looking for. A something working. Zoom in again. All right. This purple line is the 5 days moving average, 5 MA. So I was getting this video on YouTube, and this guy was talking about how he was reading these three lines, the 5, the 8, the 13. And I believe on a day chart, if you look at the day chart, I think it was the day chart. Actually, the day is different because you see now it's from below, but he was mentioning. Let's go back and see it. Okay. Well, he was talking. He was explaining actually. Gotta go all the way down. All right. He was explaining how he make entry point on the trade using the three lines. So he look three things on a day chart. He looks the 50 days moving average, the price, okay, and the three lines. So you say it was the three lines kind of squeezed in this point, okay. So then after the squeeze, right here, let's change that color to black, make it more visible. It was this squeeze here and this price. See, the lines started kind of separated. The price is still above the 200 days moving average. So when he say he printed a candle like this, which is this one, let me show you. Let me put an X. This candle was the confirmation for the entry. Okay, he squeezed down here, crossed the 50 days moving average the price, print a big candle as a confirmation. So if we follow him, if I knew that was the technique he was using back then, about little over a year ago in April 30, we could get in using this technique on the long entry at $6,000. Sorry, $8,000 on a Bitcoin, and it would be great because after that it was probably the beginning from the bull market, because after that we have the on a day chart right here. Sorry, we call that golden cross for the 50 days moving average moving through the 200, and from that time on, as you can see it was the big bull top in 2020 all the way through this. Even like at the beginning of the summer, if you look a year ago, that's when it took off. Okay, so we got a like June, July, actually right here, July. He said he never get out as long as the 5 day. In this point back over here, according with his explanation, you couldn't get out of the trade because the 5 days moved below the 8 and the 13, and so that was the technical analysis. This is a website that I'm gonna find the video and I'm gonna post in here, or maybe upload it for you guys. But that was the kind of sign he has to get out. He couldn't get out around here because it crossed the 5 crossed the 8, the 13. But as you can see, we never traded below as much the 50 days moving average. And after there, we have a July the 27, July 27, it started squeeze again over here on this time, right here, another squeeze, and then the lines kind of separated and go up big time, going to 11,900. Another point you could get out around September 2020. We have still trading 11,900. The line kind of cross over here again at this point, and then let's move up across. At this point, it was channel break, and okay, don't want to get out. Don't want to get out. Channel break, big print, 10%, cross the 50, everything go below. As you can see, my super trend show sell all this time. Finally, again, channel break. We're looking at day chart. Another one here. Squeeze it, cross, price above 50 days, and then we go up again, all the way to let's see, all again. 2021. All right, so he could, I mean, not him, but anybody that used the same techniques. See the three lines, kind of squeeze from the top. I mean, you can do it. You can do it either way. You can do it to long or to short. I believe if you want to short. I'm more like Bitcoin. I like to long every time. That's the reason. That's the reason I got a racket already liquidation maybe 4 times. So another one here. The line kind of squeezed together. Channel break. Go below. Prices went below. This happened recently, April 19, 61,000. I think was the top here around 64. Maybe 2-3 days later, the price went down below 50 days, and continues going down. So we here right now on the 36,800. We kind of consolidate. I believe we're gonna be another some pictures that I'm looking at it on the Twitter, on my Twitter account, people posting, and the one that I kind of concern more is this one. Let's see if I find a cross. It should have a cross over here somewhere. Let me put this one. I can't find a cross. All right, right here. Let's put red. This is the most danger situation that we can have it. This scenario needs to change, okay? Because we go to a death cross. If the price, let's make this. If the price continues and this line going down like that, and this one going this up, and put a red, it's gonna formate somewhere around here the death cross, which is not good. Not good. Death cross. Not good. Pushing the price down. So until this even like as you can see it, all my um, all my indicators is showing sell for the super trend. The channel break happening over here at the end of the buy, and then even like we have some channel break up, the sell is still, and then look at this big red. I think this is the amount of shorts that we have at this point. Let's take this off. So kind of like we in a danger place at this moment. Even so, because we have this candle right now after the green, which I don't like it. But this coming weekend, so hopefully we printed higher candles, green, and then we go up from here. So on the BTC, the futures will look June. If you take a look on the right hand side, right here, when I put is the forward curve. So this kind of showed the price 2021 January. It's wow, 37.7, not good. In 2023 we have 46.35. So this was like up to 80,000 at the beginning of the year. So, and the technicals is not good. Now in the day chart shows strong sell, and the weekly moving average sell, oscillator buy, neutral, monthly, everything neutral. At the moment we have not decision yet, because as I can tell you before, okay, this for the future contracts of CMA Group. They're already closed, I believe. Let's go 1 minute. And yeah, they close. Markets close. They open Sunday night. So they close at 36,955. Okay? That's the CME Group June contract. BTCN 2021. We have, let's take a look. 4 hours. On this contract, the death cross happened down here, April 22nd at 59,000. So we're trading below the 50 days, and okay, and probably we're gonna keep below somewhere. I don't know. Doesn't look like I can see any formation. A lot of head and shoulders, maybe a head and shoulder right here. Let's make a pattern and shoulder. This is the future one at CMA Group, which is this lady that I was talking. We spoke on the Twitter, say she don't see no correlation between the price and the CME Group and the price on the regular exchange. If you go back, let's see here, Coinbase. See it? Now we have pretty much a good situation at this moment. Let me explain why. Let me open another window. Make it easier. Instead of change back and forth. Okay. Come on, open up. In the future CME group, the June contract, which is gonna expire at the end of the month, last Friday, we stop it at 36, 9, 5, 5. Terrible. So we are gap up so far. 37, we've gone up. Def cross, it's in a day chart. Right here. Def cross. Now if you look at the 4 hours chart, we are Def cross was back over here at 57,000 on May 12th. April. Okay. Yeah, we had two. On the 4 hours, it was more like complicated. And also, what we saw here, it was very delicate. Head and shoulder. And I'm gonna move this up. Here, here, here. You can see it. But if you're able to see here, let's print this one. It's left shoulder, head, and probably like the right shoulder. Like here. Very sensitive. A lot of people maybe lost that one. Well, you can see this is a head and shoulder reverse, so that the price try to go up, and then the shorts kind of block it, the price to go up. Another one over here. And the price deep down big time, or like more like over here. Anyway, plot another head and shoulder here, go down, head and shoulder, go up. So I see a lot of those in the chart. It's the 4 hours chart. All right, so to make a little bit of final, which I gonna do the day chart, and I'm gonna take it the 5, the 13, the 8, the general break, the super trend, 50, keep it, no. Okay, let's talk about what they say. Oh, the corrections, on the Bitcoin, we have the corrections on the bull market, this and that, blah blah blah. We're looking at the chart. So let's consider the 2017, the last bull market. Okay, if you take a look, if you take a close look, so this probably was one of the corrections. The price never crossed the 200. Um, this one, another one, never touched the 200. Never cross. Probably get close, but never, not even touch. Um, all right, let's see. Probably this one, another correction right here. And let's consider this one another correction. Okay. But as you can see it, the price is away always. Even if it crossed the 50, I only let that open to see it, the price, and the 50 is a green line and the 200 is a black line. So now, because they say, oh no, we're not on the bear market, this and that, blah, 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 it's just a normal correction. And so this is the end of the bull on 2017. And this could be like a correction right here. But then if you consider a bear market, it was this one. Okay, this was for me the beginning of the bear market, because this one was the one that actually let's make the ones that go up as green. And this one I'm gonna put in black. That put it like a gray. Let's put black to keep, because this one was the beginning of the bear market. So this was the beginning of trading futures on CME Group. Okay. Last price 37,125, but as you can see it, 36,955. 37,125 because it's the spread between 36.9 and 37,285. That's the reason the price shows over here 37,125. But this is, the volume is very low. Let's take a look here. Okay. I don't know that. Should go this way. See, the peak was May. 32,000 futures contract. Standing going on. May 19. That's what the beginning. That's what they started the bull market. May 19. So as you can see, you got a big open on a May 31st. Not even. I don't know. What's the May 31st? It was the weekend? No, it was a holiday, I think. It was a holiday. That's the reason they closed. So then June 1st, 4,000. As you can see, the volume is going down. 2021. Let's see. The settlement for July. Wait for future. Options. May, July. And quotes. I want to see quotes. July 21st, 2021. As you can see it, still only 3 calls, one at 55,000, 3 around 47, and another 3 here around 41 and 44. But on the right hand side on the puts, 5 puts in the 25,000, 3, 2, 2, 2. So they want to push the price below. Okay, it looks like they want to, because this is at the money. Let's go out. Let's see how big it is. The damage. Not sure. They didn't show below 25. That's good. 5 on the 25,000. Hopefully this die by July. And we have 66. They didn't have a put over 6,000. Now they have some puts. They try the price below $60,000. A lot of calls, 69, 70, 83. Let's go. Let's see if the price go that high. 83,000 in July. Now let's take a look. August. In August, we have a 32. 0. No volume in August. And you have 4, 2, 6, 8, 9 calls around 49 and 60. Let's go September. Nothing here, nothing there. And December. Ooh, December is the big one. 30. Okay, nothing here into 30,000 on the put side. And the put side at 30,000. Wow. That's it. Wow. Only one put for December 2021. Yeah, 2020 December. One put at 30,000. No calls on quotes. Settlements. December. 70,000. Calls. Man, this thing. This before when I was looking at it was stopping around 100,000, and I'll go all the way down to still call put $490,000 call. Oh my God! Just imagine. That's the reason they say the price can go to 500. Kathy Wood say the coin go to 500. That's the reason. Guys, I was killing the time over here showing you guys this because I want to bring you guys attention for this time. We are almost 8 o'clock, 7:58, 2 minutes. And in about 2 minutes, we're going to have on my notifications the open interest. See, short means someone's moving the Stellar XLM a lot from Coinbase. They move out and in. Weird. They took from Coinbase to unknown wallet, from unknown wallet to Coinbase. The same amount. What is this? Weird. Something happened. Let's go home. Ethereum. Okay. Look at this guy. Beautiful. Nice screen. Someday. There we go. 8 o'clock. Notifications. And we have it. BitMax open interest. Bybit. OKX. FTX. Okay. Give some time. See it. I don't know if it's gonna happen the way it happens on my cell phone. You gotta pop it up, everything here. Let's see. 8 o'clock, guys. 8 o'clock. The price is going crazy. Let's see. All right. Let's bring everybody back again. All the lines. Let's take a look at Fibonacci. Oops. This one. Alright. And let's go to the 15 minutes. I heard over here on my Twitter that pops a little. There we go. See what they're doing? Short Ethereum. Look like they're moving down. They push lower. Yeah, you can do like this paper trading. It's like a fake money. Okay, let's zoom because since you guys can see it better. Alright. So if they do it, it's gonna be down here on the 36,158. There we go. There we go. There we go. Alright. 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 Look at that. Going crazy. There you go. Very short. Big time. But see? There we go. Wonderful. It's like a clock. 8 o'clock. They short every single thing. So at this point, we have gap down at the moment on the Bitcoin and probably everything, because Litecoin, Aethon, Bitcoin, Ethereum. Here the long Litecoin at 177, and then it come up a short at 177.3, and 15 minutes short. Stop right now. 5:54 seconds. Let's get out. Let's go back. See the last one? 1 minute. There we go. Yeah, it stopped at this moment. I mean, when it happens almost at the same time, the here is faster than the Twitter well traders. Post everybody that you know doing in the FTX, Derabai. FTX was the second, one of the third or fourth. Even let's take a look here in FTX. FTX. You see it? 36.7. Okay. See the lines over here, the channel break, and the super train on the sell side. It was the same time. They tried to go up again, but they hit it like this line on the Fibonacci, and then started to go down again. So at this point, let's see it. Let's give it like another 10 minutes, and then I finish this video with my considerations. Let's take a look. Bulls started buying. Try to make the price go up. Where's the lines over here? Okay, yeah. We're trading right on the 50 days moving average, which is the depth cross of 15 minutes. Let's go 1 hour. I like the 1 hour. Yeah, this looked like a nice support on this price. I might probably hit this one 35,587 if you go down and then go back up. We're looking at Fibonacci on the retracement. Let's go extension. It's same. No. The extension is the bad one. Showing going down. At least to the 34,567. They might push the price down this much. What do you think? This FTX, which is, they have a lot of action going on right there. And if you look at the price and future, which is stable because they close at 36,955. So we are a gap down for the futures, but it's too early. Today is Friday still. We have the whole weekend. I'm gonna make these videos. I'm gonna start a little bit later, but live close to 8 o'clock to show you guys what's happening. If you sign this account on the Twitter, you're gonna be crazy because this pop it up and you put it like all the alerts blink. It's crazy. And let's go up. All right, this guy here shows the monthly on the Kraken volatility. Since 2011 to 2021. I don't know what I'm trying to say here. This is what Bitcoin finished May down 35%, 3 months low, and the worst monthly performance since November 2018. Volatility explode 50% points to 13-month high as 120% dominance hit 3 years low at 40% off 40% and briefly hit 48% amid to the market's drop. It's some good graphics. And let's see, go big. There's two pictures. This one, and then that one. Kind of monthly returns. Okay, 2021. That's what he explained about 35 May. We lowered 35%, but for the year, still up. You don't have the yearly. Average main monthly volatility. Okay, 112%. Yeah, that's big. All right. So no more notifications. Quiet right now. 6 minutes past. The last one is Ethereum short, 26. So as I say, to make some considerations, I don't know. Nobody knows where the price goes up and down at this point. We can do some technical analysis and try to figure it out and see where it goes. But as you can see it, it's not. I'm telling, it's not a because Elon Musk could tweet anything. This is like a regular market, you know. Most is the computer trade, um, especially the big money. And if you look at the market past 5 years ago, we have a lot of people with a lot of money, and they're trying to, push the market the way they want it. So, as I can see it at this point, was manipulation. Somebody get paid to keep the price low until somebody say, "Wow, just move it up," you know. But it's not because tweets. I don't believe if the tweet from the tweeter from Elon Musk helps to push the price down, it was because it was correlated with the computer analysis, that make the bets on the future market on FTX, Terabyte, Bybit, everything. And somebody triggered the button, say, let's sell. And then that's what happened. But I don't think it was because of that at all. I think this is already, we have already predestinate through CME Group, which is the futures contract, and everybody else that was building futures contract, Bybit, Binance, Terabyte, FTX, they copying the same format from CME Group, doing like the quarterly future contracts for Bitcoin. So I think that is the reason for the price at this point. If we look in a day chart, I'm gonna show you this to finalize. And if we go after this big dip, let's go from this one. And if we go here, what we see, we are pretty much side trade. Let's change the color. Let's make like yellow. So we are side trade at this point, which is consolidate. I like the green. Put the green. Let's put the blue. Blue. We consolidate right now, which is, Cat would say, capitulation, 50% discount Bitcoin at this point. So let's see. All right, guys, thank you very much to watch. If you're watching till now, it's almost a 1 hour video and it's live. So we're gonna come up live, trying to make short videos, explain some situations. The next one I'm gonna be talking about XRP, what I'm thinking, what I saw in the past. I'm trading since 2016. So my first 15 bitcoins that I sold, it was 2016 at 17, and so average price around 3,000. So it wasn't that bad back then. But 37, Jesus. Anyway, um, it's never too late. If you go to 490,000, I just need to buy one Bitcoin right now to be able to be rich still. All right. Next video it's XRP, and as you can see, it also the XLM. All right, they come back again. Let's see. Let's see what they're doing. Last 4 minutes. Ooh, look at that. Bitmax, big time, long, beautiful. They buying, liquidate short, 18,000. That's the reason the price went up. The Bitmax bulls, wake up. It's still 37 too. The big Bitmax, guys. This is the big one. Yeah, another one. What happened? There we go. Oops. Long 30. Another long. Looks like the shorts are slipping on Bitmax and the longs coming in. Big time. $10 million long. 2.5, 2.5, 2.5, 2.5. Beautiful. You already bring the price close to 37.3. Let's take a look. 37.2. Bitfinex. Let's take a look something else. Let's go by Bit. By Bit also 37. Look, I even draw a line over here, thinking this is it was more like a bear flag printed down here, but I don't know. It could be. Maybe. I'm not professional. I'm doing this for to help people. I'm trying to telling the truth or what I see it from the last 5 years. If you're new with this market, I have a lot of information that I can pass through. And if you have more information, you can put in the comments and let me know what I'm say wrong or telling wrong, or this is not the way that I'm looking at. Another one. Liquidate short link Mumbai. Bitmax again. The last one was 35.252 long on Bitmax, and they liquidated 1, 2, double kill at 37.244 on Bitmax. Alright, it's still 37.184 on Bybit. Perpetual 64, 67 million. It's not very low volume. It's billions. Look at that. Alright guys, thank you very much. Please subscribe if you like, thumbs up, sign the channel. Thank you for everybody signing recently. Every time I see something interesting around crypto, of course, because I see that I have a lot of lovers and big XRP community, I'm gonna bring some XRP. But as I can say, if you see Bitcoin drop normally, as you can see it, XRP, let's go take a look at Kraken. That's the only one actually. See, we drop again, still sell, and almost try to make a head and shoulder here. Didn't work. The shoulder, this could. This is a head, but I don't see the left shoulder. But anyway, I'm gonna talk XRP some other day. Thank you for watching this video, 1 hour, and I'm out.